Amazon presents Jeff versus Taco Truck Salsa. Whether it's Verde, Roja, or the orange one. For Jeff, trying any salsa is like playing Russian roulette with a flamethrower. Luckily, Jeff saved with Amazon and stocked up on antacids, ginger tea, and milk. Habanero? More like habanero, yes. Save the everyday with Amazon.
Welcome to Culture Crash, where we examine what's new and old in entertainment. In the summer and fall of 2024, Brat was everywhere. Charli XCX's sixth studio album grabbed the zeitgeist with its lime green color palette, its rave-influenced dance sound, and Charli's no-cares attitude. It spawned a TikTok dance, the second album full of remixes, and months of hand-wringing all across the news landscape as Brat became a cultural movement. This year, Charli is officially moving on from the most explosive era of her career. First came The Moment, a theatrically released mockumentary about the pressures of growing her brand while still trying to be true to herself as an artist. The Moment is a funny satire full of pop music in-jokes, and it seems to be the final installment in the world of Brat. That's because 2 weeks after The Moment hit theaters, Charli XCX released her next album, titled Wuthering Heights. It's a soundtrack for the new film adaptation of the novel Wuthering Heights. Charli's soundtrack mixes her specific brand of synth pop with orchestral instrumentation and the dark Gothic romance of Emily Bronte's famous novel. There's shimmery hyperpop on the song Dying for You, darkly obsessive lyrics and desperate intensity on songs like Seeing Things in Altars, as well as a Nine Inch Nails-like industrial horror feeling on the album's opener, House, featuring John Cale. With Wuthering Heights, Charli XCX has made an album that breaks away from the specific sounds and themes of Brat, but is still of a piece with Charli's discography. In adopting new perspectives and infusing her songs with the literary longing of Emily Bronte's characters, Charli XCX has managed to strike gold once again. I'm Evan Rook.
Amazon presents Laura versus Fruit Flies. Hide your bananas. These winged demons came to your kitchen to do two things: eat fruit and they're all out of fruit. But thankfully, Laura shopped on Amazon and saved on cleaning spray, countertop wipes, and fly traps. Hey, fruit flies, your baby boom ends here. Save the everyday with Amazon.